Hey guys, you're welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this lovely garlic chicken sauce. Yeah, I recreated it. This is a British sauce and I recreated it with my Nigerian spices. So what you need for this recipe is garlic, enough onions, vegetable of your own choice. Yes, these are my own preference, so you do with whatever you know you love. Yeah, so I cut and washed and cut them or set them aside. And one other thing that is very important for the chicken, you can sauce it. You can just like spice up your chicken, cook a little bit, save the stock, and you grill it. If you don't want to grill it, you can fry with the little oil we're going to be using in this video. Or me, in this particular video, I grilled my own. Immediately after cooking my chicken, I grilled it. That's the very easiest way. I feel it's comfy for me to do. This sauce is in 10 minutes you're done. In 10 to 15 minutes you're done if you prepare everything before time. So right away I will start. Right now you can see this is my grilled chicken. Grilled chicken is purely ready, well sauced, well yummy. So I will set it aside. Like I said, don't forget to go with your own veggies. In a clean pot, please add a little oil for me. In this little oil, if you don't want to grill your chicken or you don't have oven, you can fry this chicken a little bit in this little oil before you start adding other things. So another ingredients you need is milk. Yeah, I'm using fresh milk, and also you need corn flour, that's cornstarch. So add a little salt and you pour in your onions and garlic. Don't forget, this is garlic chicken. Yeah, enough garlic in this recipe. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Mrs. Peace channel, Mrs. Progress in Innocent channel. In this channel I talk about my life in the UK, everything around me, family, a lot. So feel free to, and I also do cooking videos, so feel free to be a part of this lovely channel only by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. Immediately after you stir fry your garlic and onion a little, please pour in your grilled chicken for me. But if you're frying straight in the oil, you don't need to pour in the chicken. The chicken will already be in the oil when you add your garlic and onions. So then you add in the mushroom for me and you continue to stir fry. See, this method is a game changer in your kitchen. If you're tired of soup, please try this. There are other recipe sauce in my channel. Please feel free to explore. Don't just watch this video and go away. Try to check out other videos too. I know you will love them in my video, so feel free to check them out. So you need to allow this, and please make sure you're working with a medium heat so that your food will not burn. Make sure your heat is on a medium heat. Very, very important. And please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share to your friends and family that loves food, because this is a foodie channel. I love food also. So this is my meat stock, my chicken stock I got from the chicken I grilled. So I cooked it a little bit and saved the stock. So pour in your chicken stock right inside and you stir a little and you still allow it a bit to cook. Like I said, if you look down to the pot, you notice it's boiling, pump, small. So I don't need that fire. Yeah, right now I poured in my fresh milk. This is milk. What I mean, yes, it's milk. It's milk. So it is milk, my dear sister. So this is the main thing you need in this yumicious recipe. So pour in that fresh milk for me, just the liquid as you need it in for those sauce, and you set the remaining aside. I'm okay with this. I will do with this. So the next thing is to spice up your recipe. Test it at this point. If you're not cool with it, Maggi, your salt, your seasoning cube, your pepper, please add it on. Immediately this milk start boiling, please dissolve a little cornstarch for me, just like 1 tablespoon. Please don't add much. If it's not thick, you can add a little bit more. Dissolve it for me and you pour right inside this for me. Then immediately you pour it, you will notice it will start coming together. This cornstarch helps it to bind together, helps it to thicken up. Yes, because it's a sauce for rice, so it needs to be well presentable, not drilling out or leaving your spoon when you carry it. So you need it to be presentable on top of your rice. So immediately it start boiling, you go in with every you need to add. If you're not okay with this seasoning cube, please spice it up. I'm adding a bit of Ghana pepper. Yes, please, if you have fresh pepper, add. Right now I notice my fresh pepper, I ran out of fresh pepper, so I have to use Ghana pepper. But for this recipe, if you have fresh pepper, please leave everything on a fresh land. Yes, fresh will give you a better taste. Though Ghana pepper is also okay. Pepper is pepper, by the way. So immediately it start boiling very pretty well. Everything tastes nice, everything tastes good. To you is perfect. Start adding the veggies for me. Pour your carrots, pour all your veggies as you wanted them. Let them just go inside that sauce and you stuff them for me. In the next how many minutes it will be going on. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to my channel? If today is the first time of watching this channel, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, comment. This sucks, please, if you have not tried it, go and try it. If you have a question, I'm here for you. Ask that question, because if you try this recipe, you will come back and tell me your family wants more of it. They can't even count how many. This is a particular recipe I learned how to make it from a chef where I work. Yes, and this is pure British food, but I decided to recreate it on my own way via a Nigerian girl. So please take your time and make this, and I love to hear how yummy your own came out. So you can see my sauce is looking so beautiful right now. Isn't this beautiful? So I know by now my white rice is set though. So make sure your white rice is ready, because at this time you will be attracted to have something to taste in your kitchen immediately, because this sauce, even the aroma, people around will be like, what is this woman making today? My dear, you have to try this, and I promise you won't regret it. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel. Feel free to be a part of this lovely channel. At this point, this food is ready. Look at that, our food is ready. Tell me, isn't this beautiful? Isn't this looking lovely? Just look at that. Everything looks so fresh, pretty, attractive, mouth watering. So feel free to have a little bit with your family and tell me what happened next. Thanks a million for watching, and don't forget to be a part of my channel. I love you so much. Bye.